This video is for measuring the dimensions to check how thick of the washer you need to assemble the motor. Please download and print the model template from the QR code and cut the outline to get the motor as a tool for the measuring. You can paste the template on a cupboard before you're cutting to make the model more handy. Please turn your bike upside down to have a better view of the bottom bracket of your bike. Place the model at the middle of the bottom bracket and match the edge to the bottom bracket. Please rotate the model around point A to make the left end point B of the model to touch the chainstay. As we can see, that if the point B is inside the chainstay, then we can measure the distance of the point B to the edge of the chainstay to know how thick the washer we should need for assemble the motor. With the conclusion that we have, if the point B is out of the chainstay, the washer will not be needed for assemble.